Okay guys, I just want to show my koi angels are back to laying eggs again. They're laying it right on the leaf of the anubias there. I looked over and yep, they were at it again. They are very prolific breeders. This will be the third batch from them in a month. Crazy. Now I'll have to pull the eggs because this is in the 125 along with about 10 other angels, so if I leave the eggs by morning they'll all be gone. So I'll wait till they're done laying all their eggs and then I'll go clip that leaf, pull it out and raise the eggs up. So yeah, they're they're a young couple, but they're very prolific, breeding like crazy.